In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your portfolio on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into Dexscreener, right? So I'm going to show you guys what a portfolio looks like. A portfolio is, let's say, the total amount of money I've invested, right, in different currencies, in different cryptocurrencies, right? So this video basically is for educational purpose only, right? So I'm sharing my thoughts. And what you need to know now, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna click on this portfolio right here, and you can see from what you are seeing here, I want you to calculate how much you are seeing here, right? Wait for it to load. So right here in this portfolio, there is 50,175.31 cents, right? There is over $50,000 right here in this portfolio, right? So you can see it. So there's $50,000 plus in this portfolio. Now this money is not my money, right? So this money is not my money. I'm making this video at least to share my thoughts and my insights on what you need to know, right? So this money, I'm basically watching a wallet, right? So I added the wallet up right here in my portfolio, and I'm sure you can do the same, right? If you click on this add wallet, you can add any wallet you want to add, right? You can copy anyone's wallet and add it, then you can be watching it from your own portfolio, right? So this is basically how you can check your portfolio here on Dexscreener. You can see there's a $50,000 on the current wallet I'm watching, right? So it's pretty easy. If you found it really helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.